70% of the Caribbean tertiary educated workforce leaves the region because nothing here finds their talent early enough to keep it. That's the exact problem Illumina exists to solve. I'm Lucas. I'm 16, based in Toronto, Canada. I've already won recognition in local entrepreneurship competitions with this idea, and I've built full stack AI applications before this one. I'm the one on camera, but Lumino is built by two of us. My co-founder is also based here in Toronto and is our technical lead. He drafts the core AI build while I focus on the product and vision. I'm recording this solo just to keep filming simple, not because it's a solo project. We're applying to Future Caribbean because we want access to H200 compute we can't get on our own. We want to build in public in front of investors who understand this region, and we want the chance to pitch on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. 21 days is exactly the kind of deadline we build best under. Here's a real world opportunity. STEM talent across the Caribbean and other emerging markets stay invisible to universities, employers, and investors because no system exists to surface it early. This connects directly to what Future Caribbean itself is built around. The region needs better ways to move talent across borders the same way it moves capital and goods. Right now, that pipeline is for talent is broken, and the scale is real. The world is on track for an 85 million skilled worker shortage by 2030, and demand for AI talent alone already outstrips supply more than 3 to 1. Illumina is an AI system that finds the students' real STEM strength from how they actually think and work, not from a one time quiz, then actively connects them to projects and opportunities they never have found on their own. Career quizzes and guidance counselors give you a snapshot once. Illumina keeps watching, keeps learning, keeps pointing you toward the next right opportunity. Under the hood, Luna runs as three cooperating agents, not one model call. A single agent observes how a student works and extracts real skill signals. A matching agent reasons over mentors, projects, and pathways to recommend the next step. And a human in the loop agent routes anything uncertain to a teacher or counselor before it ever reaches a student. We're building this on an open source model. We've narrowed it to Llama 2 7 billion parameter or Mistral 7 billion parameter, running through an orchestration layer hosted on Vercel, and trained on synthetic data generated by an LLM. Human in the loop matters here because a teacher signs off before any recommendation reaches a student. We're not replacing guidance, we're giving it leverage. For the Caribbean specifically, small, talent rich, geographically fragmented markets are exactly where an AI talent discovery layer has the most leverage. It does in software what dozens of understaffed guidance offices can't do in person. Beyond the region, the same architecture works anywhere talent gets overlooked. Rural schools, refugee education systems, workforce reskilling programs. If it works here, it travels. That's the whole Future Caribbean thesis. So far, we've built a working mockup, narrowed our model choice down to Llama 2 7 billion or Mistral 7 billion. We're fine tuning it right now. There's two of us and we split it cleanly. I lead product and vision, and my co founder leads the technical build. Neither of us is stretched thin trying to cover everything alone. We each go deep on our half, which is why we can move as fast as we do. Our edge is the data. The longer a student uses Illumino, the more signal it builds on them, and that compounds in a way competitors can't just copy on day one. In 5 years, we want Luna to be the default talent discovery layer that schools and employers plug into, not just in the Caribbean, but everywhere, with a million students and even hundreds of millions of students using it. You should back us because we're already shipped with almost no resources. We understand the problem firsthand as a student ourselves, and we're all in for the full 3 weeks. I'm Lucas, my co founders are technical lead, and together, ready to build Illumino. Thanks for watching.